He is covering all 29 states, all the union territories. Welcome to Cyclothon, sir. Hey guys, thank you for all the welcome and all the warm welcome in Sansika. So today at Cyclothon, we the members of Biking Club Jodhpur, we have greeted Mr. Ankit Arora ji. He is from Jaipur and he is cycling all the 29 states and all the union territories of India. And so far he has done around five states?
Five states
And two union territories
and one corner of India.
Okay, fantastic, sir.
And around 4,500 kilometers.
So something about yourself?
Yeah, so I am doing this journey, solo cycle journey across all the states of India, all the 29 states, all the 7 union territories and all the 4 corners of India. I am targeting for 21,000 kilometers within 6 months to break the Guinness World Record for the longest bicycle journey in country.
So what was the last record of?
Last record is the 15,222 kilometers.
Okay. So for how long you have been cycling?
In this journey?
No sir, as a cyclist.
It's around 2.5 years. 2.5 years I have been cycling. I started in Jaipur. So I have done many travels in Rajasthan and Uttarakhand and Punjab.
Okay, so nice.
And I mean this is great to travel by cycle anywhere, not only in India but anywhere. This is the best way that I think. So because the cycle is the way that connects you with the people. I mean on a bike, on a car, you cannot connect to the people. If you want to know the stories of India, if you want to know some unexplored places, so cycle more.
So how was your experience and how has been your experience in the past 5 states which you have covered?
Fantastic, fantastic. Every place, every state welcomes me with a great zeal. All the people, when they get to know about my journey, about my record journey and about my cycling promotion, so they come forward easily, very easily to welcome me into their homes with a nice food, with a nice homemade food. I mean every state like Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, every day someone or other take me to their home and I get the best of the stories from their families, from their cities.
So next, there's a general myth amongst the common people that it's not safe to cycle around so long.
Yeah, it's a
and
myth.
People are not safe.
Exactly, you said it. It's a myth. It's not true. It's all safe if you are doing it for a purpose. If you are good, if you have the courage to do something, to follow your dream. So all the people of India come forward to help you. Like see my current position in Jodhpur. They are all the people from Jodhpur and welcoming me. And
they were very enthusiastic when we told that he is today in Jodhpur. So, and yesterday many people even heard your show on the radio.
Yeah,
it was really good.
Exactly.
Informative.
Exactly.
So what will be your advice for budding cyclists and
budding cyclist? Enjoy your cycling. Sometimes it is race, sometimes it is endurance, sometimes it is a travel. So enjoy everything that you like to do, whether be it a race, be it a travel, be it a practice. Enjoy it. And I mean cycling is liberating. It liberates you from all the tensions and all the sadness of life.
Very true, sir, very true.
Yeah.
So I've been following you on Facebook and also I've seen, sir, your team has done a fantastic job, sir.
Yeah.
Something about them also.
Team I mean my team.
Yeah, some support group.
No, no.
You're not having.
I am riding solo, but there
Okay.
are some schools.
Okay, okay.
I am making a documentary on slum,
Okay.
on the schools which are based in slum area and villages of India. So
Okay, okay.
the schools are of Roundtable India.
Okay.
So they are they are supporting me to make my documentary and make those underprivileged children aware about the cleanliness and their own education, because those are the children who don't know about their own city, about their
Yeah,
own
right.
state, because they don't have easy facilities like internet,
Hmm.
YouTube, Facebook. So we can help them. We can help them because we have all the facilities, so we can spread awareness about their state, their own state, through our stories, through our photos, through our videos. So I'm doing a little effort.
So maintaining your physique and health for cycling daily. So another yes, how much you're cycling daily?
uh, uh, to achieve my target, I cycle daily around 120, 125 or 130 kilometers.
Daily.
Yes.
Fantastic. And so maintaining daily 100 and 120 kilometers and also doing your social work for which you are traveling across India.
So it's all because of insanity. It's all the pagalpan. It's all about passion. I mean, you cannot get all the energy from only food,
Right, sir.
from only the energetic drinks. The maximum part of your energy comes from within, from your own craziness.
Right.
And the people who come forward in every city and help me.
Fantastic, sir. So, yeah.
Yeah, so I started from Jaipur to Delhi to Manali. Then I took the highway of Manali to Leh, Ladakh. Then I went towards Turtuk. Turtuk is the last village of India,
Okay.
the northernmost village of India. Then I took the highway of Leh to Srinagar. Srinagar. Then after Srinagar, I went towards Rajouri, Jammu.
Okay.
Then Punjab, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Patiala, Batinda. Then I entered into Rajasthan. So for the last 10 days, I have been cycling in Rajasthan. Now after Rajasthan, I am going into Gujarat.
Okay.
Gujarat. After Gujarat, there will be Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka. Then so I am going southwards.
Okay. Okay.
After that, I'll come back towards central India. Then I'll enter into northeast,
Okay.
and I'll end my journey in northeast.
In
Meghalaya.
Northeast.
Yes.
Meghalaya. Okay. So, sir, what about your job and all?
Job, I left that job.
You left the job, sir?
Yes. To pursue this journey, I mean, this is a one-time chance.
Right.
And this was my one of the biggest dream to explore everything on my cycle and write some stories, some travel blogs.
Okay.
So I left that job.
So, how was your support from your family, sir?
Family support is good. When I started cycling way back in 2015, then there was no support. There was some hesitation and some other remarks as well. But now, after some achievements in the last year, now the support is good. All the support from family and media, my own city, everything.
Jaipur has been very supportive to you.
Yes, exactly.
So, another question from a perspective of a cyclist who wants to or who wishes to do long distances just like you. So, sir, at the end of the day, cycle is just a machine.
Right.
You have to take care.
Yes.
So, have you learned about it? So, like you are riding a geared bike.
Yes. So I did not learn very heavy things about cycling. I know only basics.
Okay.
Only basics like how to fix the puncture and how to fix the brakes, and how to oil your chain system and how to oil your derailleur. So I mean these are the basics you need to know. How to maintain your gear shifting process. So you can learn. You will get to know about these things only with the practice. And I mean, you can take a small kit. You can keep a small kit.
Some female cyclists. Generally, there is a comparatively less participation from women. So, some suggestions for them. They are a little scared or something.
In India there is some perception like female are not safe to travel alone or on the roads of India. So yeah, but there are some metro cities where in metro cities of India like Pune, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Nagpur and Delhi, Gurgaon, females are equally enthusiastic about cycling. Yes, but there is more culture to come about female travel on cycle in India.
Right.
So there is a very long way to go. So we all need to wait for that day. We are the people. I mean, we are the people who can motivate them.
Right, sir.
Who can motivate them and make a safer environment for female to travel on the roads, to travel freely on the roads of India. So we are the responsible who can make a safer environment for them.
Right. Very well said, sir. So another question from a view of the cyclist only. So, what all things are you carrying? What are the essentials you are carrying along you?
Actually, before discussing that, I will state that there are requirements are based on your condition. Like if you are going to break a record or you are going for an event, so you need to carry a very less amount of things because it will increase your weight and it will slow your pace. So and if you are traveling, if you are doing only a travel and nothing else, then you can carry all the stuff. I mean, I have seen some people who carry, some foreigners who carry 50 to 70 kgs of weight. And
they carry all the tents and everything to stay.
So when I was in Ladakh, I carried tent and sleeping bag and some clothing suitable for the cold temperature. Then after that, when I came back towards the plains, I left my tent and sleeping bag and jackets, warm jackets, and now I am carrying only 3 t-shirts and 1 short and 1 jeans. And
just the basic essentials.
Yeah, these are the basic essentials, and other than that, you need to carry a raincoat. Raincoat and some.
So you went to Ladakh in the rainy season, if I guess, August, September?
In September.
In September?
Yeah, there was a snowfall.
There was snowfall?
I had to face a snowfall.
Oh.
Yeah, but
all the skin burn and all this due to that.
You can see my nose. So,
guys, if you can see his face, it's all hands and legs, it's all skin burned.
These are the souvenirs of my travel. Then
fantastic.
After along with my clothing, I'm carrying a kit for my cycle, because your body and your cycle, these are the 2 things you need to take care of. These are the 2 things you need to care of. So I have a kit, a puncture kit and a chain lube. And some bicycle lights, of a front light and a tail light. And
safety essentials.
If you are on a medication, you can carry some medicines as well, according to your own requirement.
Right, sir. So something about your sir bike. It's looking all
Yeah,
dirt and
this is a customized bike.
okay.
Yes. Uh,
Made from Croatos.
Made from Proetos, and the full name is Proetos Hawa Mahal. I
Okay.
started from Jaipur, so I named this bicycle Hawa Mahal.
Okay, okay,
It's-
okay.
It has been
Fantastic.
written over here.
Okay.
And along with my start date, the 27th August 2017.
Okay.
So
So
this is all aluminum bike and
fantastic, fantastic. Sir. Lightweight. Final words for
final
the viewers.
words. Final words. Enjoy your cycling. I am coming to your city, to your state. I want to meet you all. Please be there. Please take some time out of your busy schedule and please cycle with me and please travel more. Enjoy.
Okay, sir. Thank you. It was really a pleasure to cycle with you, and
thank
we are
you.
really thankful that you stayed a day longer for this event.
You all doing a fantastic job. Keep maintain this culture of cycling in every city.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.